Ano ba nangyari doon? Yung naka-usli ba yung paa niya?
Mukha nga, I think, at the time when he extended his leg after he took that shot, no? Kanya doon siya natawagan ng offensive foul.
So, 21 puntos na po ang abante ng Gordon's Gym as Chris King misses, pero nardo na naman si Noli Locsin!
Partner, man of the hour ito si The Tank ng Gordon's Gym.
Chris King, Val David.
And partner, ang patient no, ng offensive movement ng Gordon's Gym.
Big pick given up by Noli Locsin for Val David.
Partner, umuulan na. Yung outside shooting ng Gordon's that was absent in games number 4 and 5. Ito, bumalik na. At ang outside shooting naman na pinakita ng Alaska nung game number 5, walang-wala na ngayon dito sa game number 6. Lago trying it again, failing to hit the outside shot.
There's a pitch by Chris King to Vince Hizon. That's great play by Gordon's Gym. They're pouring it on. We have a timeout. Begun with only 2:05 remaining in the third quarter. Gordon's Gym has outscored Alaska 27-4. Make that 28-4. Apat na puntos pa lamang ang nagagawa ng Alaska. At itong Gordon's Gym naman ay umuusok.
Partner, biglang bumugay ang depensa ng Alaska. No? All of a sudden, you see here a collapse in the defensive rotation and formation ng Alaska. Ito, pati yung kanilang offensa, they really are struggling.
Pinalpal si Johnny Abarrientos. Kevin Holland was able to get the loose ball.
And can you believe it, huh? Only 4 points scored by Alaska here in the third period with 1:46 to go. Ayun ang sinasabi natin kanina, yung depensa ng Gordons na pinakita nila nung first half, napakatindi. And they have simply continued that kind of defensive pressure dito sa
ayan, sinasabi natin. At nararatel na rin yung mga players ng Alaska Milk. At itong biglang buhos ng mga puntos na ginawa ng Gordon's Gym, natulala itong Alaska Milk. And they just don't know how to get themselves out of this hole. As you look at the guard shampoo matchup between Noli Locsin and Bong Hawkins, maaring lamang sa field goals o sa puntos itong si Bong Hawkins, pero yung overall presence ni Noli Locsin ay talaga nakakarindi, plus yung suporta ng kanyang mga kakampi.
So si Bong Hawkins naman ay papalitan ni Jojo Lastimosa. Lastimosa has not established his offensive presence sa larong ito with only 3 points in this game.
Magandang gabi po, Pilipinas. Mula po dito sa Cuneta Astrodome sa Pasay City, ang inyong mga lingkod, Ed Picson at Kirito Henson para sa Vintage Sports as Kevin Holland misses a free throw at nakuha naman ni Pochwinyo ang rebound. So nasa Alaska pa rin ang bola. Lamang ng 25 puntos ang Gordon's Gym. Chris King.
Partner, pinersa yung tira ni Pochwinyo, hoping to get a foul from Chris King. But King knows how to keep his composure sa loob ng court. He is not going to give up any unnecessary contact.
At dahil po sa panggigigil ni Pochwinyo ay siya pang tinawagan ng loose ball foul in that rebound play. At dahil po sa nasa penalty ng Alaska Milk, actually silang dalawa, no? Alaska at Gordons ay pareho ng nasa penalty. Ay bibigyan ng free throws itong si Chris King.
Chris King from Wake Forest University, 28 years old. Ayan po si Jojo Lastimosa in this game. Only one field goal. One field goal lang po. And he has attempted 9 times from the floor.
Yan po ang istorya ng sorry state of affairs ika nga ng Alaska Milk at this juncture. Ay naghahabol po sila ng 26 puntos. Rodney Santos, sinugot yan ni Coach Tim Coy, traveling on Jonas. Ano na ba nangyayari sa Alaska?
Partner, key din yung pagpasok ni Coach Robert Jaworski ng defensive assignment, Chris King on Lastimosa.
Hyundai PBA winning drives po mga kaibigan. Abangan nyo ang big cash prizes 1-1 versus ang Hyundai Elantra Coupe. Ang tumimigay sa Grand Draws. Punta nyo lang kung anong kotse ang makikita nyo sa screen sa bawat PBA game. Ilagay sa entry form at ihulog sa mga Ital car dealers. For more details, basahin nyo lang sa print ads at posters. At si Chris King with a triple V. Pangatlo niya yan in this ball game. Binabaon na ng Gordon's Gym ng Alaska. Bagamat malayo pa tayo, ay kailangan ng ikangay bumangon itong Alaska Milk if they want to stay in this ball game and in this series. Basketball sa to Johnny Abarrientos. Wala pa rin. Hoy, ayaw pumasok ng bola. Ano ba yan? 78-49.
Completely intimidated na ang Alaska.
Oo.
The interior defense ng Gordons, napakatindi, holding strong. At partner, a big defensive adjustment of Coach Robert Jaworski is to put Chris King on George Lastimosa. Has eliminated completely the offense of Lastimosa.
Sumantala, Coach Tim Cohn is now trying everything. Pinasok na niya si Rodney Santos. Ngayon naman ay susunod si Merwin Castelo para sa panig ng Alaska Milk. Alaska just doesn't seem to know what to do at this point. It has been an overpowering performance by Gordon's Gin here in the third quarter. Alalahanin po ninyo mga kaibigan, nag-umpisa itong third period. Dalawa lang ang abante ng Gordon's Gin. Ngayon, 30. Count them. Count that. 30 points from 2.
Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, no, biglang bumigay na lang ang depensa ng Alaska, and I think could be one of several reasons, no? Or several reasons actually. Una yung size advantage, no? Tapos yung running game ng Gordons, tapos yung kanilang outside shooting. When you have all of those three things going in your favor, wala na talagang magagawa ang Alaska, no?
Samantala sa pag-drive ni Val David, natapik palabas ang bola. 1.7 seconds to go in the third period at wala akong matatapyas doon sa oras sapagkat wala po nakahawak doon sa pasang yun ni Jojo Lastimosa, so babalik na naman ang inbound doon sa bahagi ng court na sa harapan ng goal ng Gordon's Gin. 79-49 ang ating pong score na mag-umpisa ang period na ito was 46-44.
Partner, 5 points ng Alaska in this quarter. That ties an all-time low record with two other teams in PBA history. 5 points in a quarter.
Samantala, tumawag ng 30-second timeout ang Gordon's Gin. Pangalawang timeout yan ng Gordon's dito. Isang full timeout, isang 30-second timeout. Ang Alaska, tumawag na ng tatlong timeout dito. Dalawang full, isang 30. Pakinggan natin ang huddle.
Okay, just pick. Mamili ka. Ito na ang pick dyan, ha? Okay? It's free passing, okay? Mano, ha? Ikaw sa gitna. Passer ka, pick. Okay? Tatlo kayo sa taas. Stay on the line. No, yung kalisita lang sa...
Yan mga kaibigan na tinatawag na killer instinct.
With 1.7 seconds to go.
Gustong durugin.
Pa ng timeout.
Gustong durugin ng Gordon's Gin.
Talagang sinasagad ni Coach Robert Jaworski.
Take no prisoners.
At partner, baka naman kung ganito pa ang lamang ng Gordon's Gin in the fourth period, we might be able to see for the first time in PBA history, father and son playing together at the same time.
Yung ba ang fearless forecast mo? Okay, 1.7 seconds to go. Val David throws it up. Lamang ng 30 puntos. A 30-point lead by Gordon at the end of the third quarter of Game 6.